One of the very popular methods of downloading movies and documentaries from the internet is by using torrents. Now let's see how we first of all get hold of torrent files and then download the documentary or the movie. So you have to go to a search engine which lists or which has a directory of torrents. So I'm now here on this site called as torrents.eu, and I'm going to search for some BBC documentaries. When I click on enter, I see a number of results here, and suppose I want this documentary on planets. I click on it, and then further I get another list from which I can download the torrent file. So I'm going to download it from this website called Mononova. It takes a little time to connect to the torrent site depending upon how busy it is. Now let's try to, it's taking a little time, so let's try to get it from some other site. So we click on this download via torrent and then save the file. So I choose a location, I'll choose the desktop and then save on that. So you can see that the torrent file is already downloaded here. Now the next thing is to open up a torrent client like MuTorrent, or I have on Linux Transmission. So I'll open up that and then I'll add the torrent file which I had just added, which I had just saved. So suppose I have, I'm not able to find this. Let me go and I have saved it on the desktop. Okay, so on the desktop I see this file which I just downloaded. I add it, and there are, in this torrent file there are a couple of files. You can see there are several episodes. So let me choose the first one. So instead of downloading the entire set, I could choose which ones to download. So I'll deselect everything and then I'll select only the first one. So it will download only the first part along with the subtitles. So when I click on add, you can see that the torrent has been added here. So initially it will try to connect to several peers. This is peer-to-peer. This is sometimes called as peer-to-peer computing or peer-to-peer file sharing. Now, as you can see, it initially gave an error and then it has now connected with 6 or 11 peers. So it first connects to several peers, that is computers from where it can download the files, and then the downloading actually starts. You can see this little thing which is appearing over here. Initially it is 0.00 KB per second, but slowly it will increase. It is currently 2.11 and you can see it's going on increasing. And it also displays how much estimated time it will take for downloading this file. Now depending upon the speed, this time may vary. If the speed is really high, then the time goes down, and vice versa. So this is a very excellent way of downloading files from the internet. People use it a lot to download a lot of movies, Hindi as well as English or any language, music, ebooks, audiobooks. And the best part of this thing is, even if your internet connection goes off, the downloading does not have to start from the very start. as it happens if you are downloading a file directly from the browser. Here the entire file is divided into a number of pieces, and the pieces are downloaded part by part. So even if your internet connection goes off, the electricity goes off or the internet connection goes off, the downloading would start from the point till whatever has been downloaded before that. So you need not download it all over again and waste your bandwidth. So this is an excellent way. This is called as torrents.